Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be organizing and cleaning out my fridge. It's definitely been way too long since I've properly taken everything out and cleaned it. There's going to be some random things that should have been thrown away a long time ago that I'm going to find in here. So I like to go over everything first with the Clorox wipe, and then you'll see me go over it again with just a clean dish rag. And I do this because the Clorox wipes leave streaks, and then the streaks kind of like make this condensation on the glass shelves that just gross me out. So I just go back over everything to wipe it off. So I'll end up moving things around. Mostly I'm just trying to get the shelves clean, and then once everything is back in and I'm done, I'll kind of move everything around to where it fits the best. Oh my gosh, those things have been in there for so long. I told you at the beginning I would find some random things, and that seriously was a lime stuck behind that bottom drawer that I had no idea was there and would not have known unless I pulled that drawer out to clean it. So my friends, that is why you need to deep clean your refrigerator and get out those rank things that get lost in there. So the shelves are done, and I'm going to move on to the door now. Just going to repeat the same process, Clorox wipe, and then go back over everything with the clean rag. And we are done with the inside of the fridge. And of course, you should probably at least wipe down the front of your refrigerator here and there because it does accumulate some germs. So I'm just going to take all the magnets off and then wipe everything off with the Clorox wipe. And of course, go back over it again with the dish rag. I do this mostly to make sure it's dry and so it doesn't streak up. I don't know why, but I love having my magnets like super organized, like all nicely, not just sporadically. So I actually like taking my magnets off and putting them back on because then I can put them in a new order or whatnot. I don't know. Maybe it's OCD, but maybe you're the same way. So I'm just going to finish by cleaning off the freezer side, and then I'm going to be done. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and it gave you some motivation. If you have any other requests, please leave them in the comments and I would love to film those for you. Anyways, I'll see you next time. Bye!